You can now access Google Veo 3 and create unlimited videos using this hidden platform. This platform will enable users generate unlimited videos for content without paying. This platform is free and unlimited too. Don't forget to like this video and share so other creators can access this particular feature. Subscribe to the channel and let's get right into it.
Now you're going to head over to your Play Store like this, and you are going to type Tinker by Shopify. Tinker by Shopify. You type it like this, Tinker by Shopify. Then you're going to click on it and it's going to bring out this particular one. That is the one you are going to download. So once you've downloaded it, you can open it. It's because I've downloaded it on my phone. That is why it's saying open. So go ahead and then open it on your phone, on your device. That is your Android device. You're going to see this interface right here. You can then click on the sign in button on top of there. Once you are done signing in, I'm going to be signing in a minute now. Come back. So once I'm done signing in, then you can now come to this down place where it's saying type and create. Now under it, you are going to see image, video and text on the top, and you are going to see Google Gemini image. Are you seeing it? You can add your text to prompts, as in put your prompt and it's going to generate an image for you. That's what it generally means. You can see the interface is very easy to use. Then when you are going to go to that image that you are image right here, like you want to create, then you click on this create a new artifact. You create it. Now this demonstration I want to do now is for image. So I want to put in a prompt to generate an image for me. And note that you can generate multiple images if it's not bringing out what you want. You can see Grok Imagine is also here. Fluke Imagine is here. OpenArt GPT is also here. Can you see it now? Choose any one you want to use to generate your image and then insert the prompt like this. Once you insert the prompt like this, you just then you don't if you want a reference photo, click on that select reference photo. But since you are using image and I want you to generate its own image, I want to see how its image is going to look like, just click on generate image. Image. So once it's generating, it's going to take a little time to generate. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, take a little minute to subscribe to my channel, like this video so that YouTube can push this video to more content creators. You can see the image you generated. It's a little blurry because it's my prompt, so if I adjust it, it's going to be fine. Now you are going to see the top right three dots there. Download it from there. So once you are done downloading it, it's going to download straight to your phone. Now once you generate image, you are going to click on that generate image, but it's not going to work that way, so you have to go out of the app and come back. Now that you are back, you are going to click on type create. You click on that arrow button down here and click on type create. That's what you click on, like you want to create another image and you want to create a video. So you are going to click on this box right here, this small box right here, and then it's going to take you down. So when you click on my project right here, it's going to ask you to like save your project like in batches. So I don't want to do that, so I'll just go to type to create. Click type to create and then you go and change your aspect to video. You want to do a video right now, not image. So change it to video and then go to your Google Video image generator and then first insert the picture you want to use. I don't want to use that picture, so I'm going to insert a picture from my gallery that I will be showing you in this video. But let me animate this image I already created using this app. So you can see all the additional information here, like trying to change the aspect ratio, change every other thing. Me, I want to do it as landscape. 4 minutes or 6 seconds, 4 seconds or 6 seconds, any which other one you want. Put it there and then animate this video. So you can now start writing what you want your images to say. So I'm going to be typing two friends sitting in two friends interacting, and one says, because you need to really be specific about what you want them to say. One says, Tola, let's hang out let's hang out tonight. Then says the other says that would be great. I think that's what I wrote. Yeah, that would be great. That's true. It's been long. Okay, that's true. It's been long. We catch up. So I just wrote the prompt the way just the way it came to my head. You just need to be very creative. Add in your comma, dot, and everything. Make sure that it's perfect. And then you are going to hit on this mark button that is yellow here. When you are done, this mark button that is yellow here, when you are done, hit on it. It's going to check it that it's okay, and then you slide to generate. Click on that yellow button, slide it to generate. It's going to give you a sound that is already started generating. So let us see how this one is going to turn out.
Tola, let's hang out tonight. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. It's been long. We catch up.
I thought it wasn't playing, but I was the one that did not and did not check out the volume button. It was playing perfectly on my end. So I'm going to be showing you another illustration. Let me give you another illustration so you will see. Now I'm going to download this one. Click on the three mark button, three mark at the top right corner, and then download this video. I was trying to watch it and watch it over again, so I downloaded the video. I think I forgot to download the video actually. So now we are going to go back and then type to create. We are going to click type to create and then go to video. So now you can see grok imaging here and everything. So once you click on video, you are going to now see a different thing. You are not going to see grok anymore, grok imaging. You are going to see dance. But let us export our image that I want to use. I don't want to use that image anymore. So I went to my gallery and brought out the image I wanted to use. So after doing that, went to additional information and did all the things I need to do, and then type in the prompts I need for this. Two friends chatting. So you can just pause and read what I wrote there. If you want to copy it, you can go ahead and copy it. It's just a simple prompt you can use for dialogue. This is very easy. You don't need to copy and paste it the way ChatGPT has given to you, because the AI can give you something else. So after that, you are going to slide to generate this image. Now I went to change this and I saw Dance. Do you see now? We have Dance here, video generator. We have Clean Video Editor. We have Clean Video Generator, and we have Google Veo generator. Do you see? So I'm going to use. I clicked on Dance and it took me back to square one. So I didn't want that. So I just went back, hit on that button, and then went back to Google View and then generate my video. So once I was done with the additional setting and all that, click and slide to generate your video.
Jason, how have you been? It's been so long we saw.
Let's catch up more tomorrow at the park.
Jason, how have you been? It's been so long we saw.
So
Let's catch
now
up
I've
more
already
tomorrow at the park.
generated the image. If you like this video, if you found this video helpful, kindly share it, kindly subscribe to my channel, and I'll be giving you more tips, more tutorials. Make sure that you download whatever video you have generated, and then I'll see you in my next video. I'll keep coming up with other free tools you can use.
Jason, how have you been? It's been so long we saw.
Let's catch up more tomorrow at the park.